All right, what's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Harrison here. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to start affiliate marketing for beginners with no experience, with no money, and how you can get started today completely free and start earning as a free member in the platform that I'm about to share with you. Now, this platform is called MAP. They have been going through phase 1. Phase 2 lasted for a while. I joined in phase 2 at the platinum member level. Now they are in phase 3, where you can come in as a free member and earn without having to invest. Now, but if you want to earn more money and get access to more products, then upgrading is a must. And I do highly suggest that you upgrade. Now, there are three you have the free member, and then there are 3 other paid member levels that you can come in at, and you can choose to do it monthly or you can choose to do it at one time. So I'm going to share that with you in this video. So with that being said, let's go ahead on and get started right now. Cool. So here we are in the back office for MAP. What I did is I set up another free account just to show you what the account is going to look like for you as a free member. Now, as I said, this system is called MAP, short for Master Affiliate Profits. Now, as you see right here, the name I use is CW. This is going to be a orientation video. Please watch this video right here. You can click here for the mandatory orientation. If I click that video right there, click that button right here. This is going to be the orientation, okay? So you can watch that video. Let's go back. Make sure you do that. But watch this video right here. Now, this system was created by John Thornhill and Omar Martin. They are going to introduce you to the system. I highly recommend that you pay close attention. So I'm going to walk you through the back office and show you what you're going to see as a brand new free member when you click that link in the description and join today. Okay, you're going to get access to promotional tools, which are right here. This is all your promotional tools: list building, email marketing, social media, and I'm going to show you that as we go through the process. You're going to be able to see the commission that you're earning here. You're going to be able to see the clicks, the visits, the partials, the leads, all of that, and conversions as well. And if you scroll on down, you're going to be able to see April contests and the leaderboards over here as well, which I'm not going to show you that because you might go join somebody else. But this is what you're going to see. Now, what we're going to do is we're actually going to go to the right and start over here. And we're going to click on link settings. Click on link settings, okay? And if you notice up here at the top, this is going to be your specific link. It's only one link that you have to promote, okay? And they are going to show you how to do that inside of MAP itself. You just click this link and you start sharing this link. Now you're able to add on the end of this link some tracking ID. You'll have your MAP link explained, creating a tracking ID using a redirect, okay? You can see right here, okay, where people are actually going to be, where the click came from. This is the date, the number, and time the click happened. The source is going to show you how you got the click, either from MAP One Link or from MAP Traffic Rotator. This was from the One Link, okay. The IP address, where it came from, the status, and the tracking ID as well. You're going to see stats summary, and you can change up the squeeze page down here. I highly recommend that you do not, because they are rotating squeeze pages with your one link up here. Okay, so they are testing different squeeze pages. Do not mess with that. The next thing you're going to be able to see are your leads. Okay, so we click on lead. You're going to be able to see where your leads are right here. You're able to connect an outside autoresponder, but the beauty of this system is you do not have to do that, because they are going to do a 90-day, okay, sequence for you. If you read right here, MAP will email your leads daily for 90 days in an effort to get them to upgrade to platinum. Please understand that this doesn't mean each of your leads will open and click the link in those emails. Some may not receive email at all. You should read or acknowledge base article ID KB 08 title. Yep. read this right here, okay? Then you have a MAP member email sequence. You can read this information right here. We will send your leads a 90-day proven email sequence to encourage them to upgrade to platinum. During this crucial period, the worst thing you can do is overwhelm them with unrelated promotions and offers. Doing so will only create confusion and diminish your overall result. So the only thing you need to do is get someone to opt in and let MAP do all of the following up for you, which that headache you don't want as a beginner anyway while you're learning and going through the process. Okay, so keep that in mind. Marketing to your leads. These are some training videos that you're going to see right here. Importing Aweber, sending, and all of that. You're going to get some sequences, but like I said before, they are doing it for you, so why go through it? And you're able to set up your autoresponder. They recommend Aweber. I like to use GetResponse. Hey, but the choice is yours. The next thing we're going to have is your product. These are the products that you get as a free member. Okay, you're going to get list building, access now. If it has add to your account, that means you're going to have to pay for that particular product. So anywhere you see add to your account, you pay for it, but access now, you get access. Okay, the MAP action challenge. Okay, you get to access that. Traffic Jumpstart, you have to add that to your account. Rapid Digital Access, add to your account. Commission Expert. Now, remember all of these right here because you get to earn commissions when someone purchases a product inside of here. Email marketing, access now. Okay, MAP action challenge, the Traffic Jumpstart, that's the same thing. Okay, traffic training, access now. Any, like I said, these other ones you have to add to your account. Video marketing, as a free member, these are what you get access to. Okay, blogging, creating bonuses, social media, ad marketing, and banner and graphic. So those are the products that you get access to. You come over here and look at your ledger. And when you open up your ledger, you're going to see how much you have earned, the transaction ID. You're going to have to set up a payout method, okay, whether PayPal or Wise. You need to turn in your tax documentation. This is a business. This is not something you just do. You're going to have to turn that in, and you're going to have to get KYC verification. You can read that on your own there as well. And then the next thing you know, you hear where you're able to set up your profile here. So you're going to see that your account, okay, billing details. This is where you can plug in your affiliate links for these different products right here. And when someone makes a purchase here, you're going to earn a commission. Save your IDs here. So as a free member, you can earn. So now we come over here to the left and we go here. Let's look at the upgrade. Under the upgrade, and I'm going to show you how you get to earn commission. Make sure you watch this video. Stop leaving money on the table. The plan pricing, okay, you're going to be a free member, but we have silver, we have gold, and we have platinum. These little question mark tells you what you get access to. All silver members also receive access to the free level content plus additional courses and enhanced commission. The same as gold, you're going to get access to silver and free, and platinum, you're going to get access to gold, silver, and free, and you're going to be able to earn on everything. Now, let's just look at it as a free member. We're looking at it as a free member. As a free member, you get affiliate tools and trainings. Okay, we scroll down. All members receive numerous modules of affiliate training, tools, and training to start making money with MAP, including traffic, email marketing, blogging, banner, and media, video marketing, ads, social media, and bonuses. So that's what you get under the tools and training. The live training, you're going to get live discovery training. This is access to our live training session that will be held regularly. These sessions are designed to help new members get the most from their MAP program. So you get access to that. Commissions, and I know this is what you want to know what you're thinking about. There's an upsell through the process, and you earn 100% commission on that upsell. Okay, all members will be paid 100% commission on the upsell. Okay, upsell 1. And this is a traffic offer you saw when you signed up. Commissions on levels. These are commissions you receive for all level sales from your referrals, example, gold, silver, gold, and platinum, you earn 25%. There, commissions and add-ons. These are commissions you receive from any additional add-on sales from your referral. These sales typically range from $9.95 to $997. You're going to earn 20% there. Commission on clicks. These are commissions you receive from all the done-for-you traffic order referrals make. When your referral buy traffic, you get paid. Example, if your referral invests $250 in traffic, you will receive $25. Okay, 10% of that. Commissions on workshop. These are commissions you receive from any live full-day workshop that we may run from time to time. You earn 5% on that. And then third-party commissions. All members are paid on third-party referrals once they complete their profile. Example where I was showing you what Aweber and GetResponse and Udemy and all of that was. Aweber, this means if you refer someone to MAP and they invest in a third-party service such as Aweber, you will receive all of the commission, okay, on that particular, because that's an outside affiliate program, but you earn a commission from that particular program. So you will not be able to earn tier 2 commissions. Additional high-value products you will not get, and done-for-you traffic you will not get. You get done-for-you traffic as a platinum. But as you go across here, you'll see what you're able to get once you upgrade to the $37 per month, $67 per month, or $97 per month. If you want to go annual, you can go annual. Silver is $297 per year. Gold is $597 per year. Platinum is $797 per year. So once you decide to upgrade, you can make that move. If you upgrade to platinum, I will be adding you to a traffic rotator that I'm going to be running. So if that's platinum yearly or platinum monthly, I will be adding you to my own personal traffic rotator that I have set up. Okay, so over here under the menus, let's just quickly go through here. Live training. You're going to see that right here. That's where your live training will be. Also, list building training. You're going to have list building training. Now, understand, you can click on here, but you're going to have to invest. Okay. Any button that you see here, you're going to have to invest, and you see the price goes up. But remember, if someone you bring in purchase something, you get to earn a commission. Just remember that. Your list building tools, you can download them here. The MAP report, transforming affiliate marketing, you can download there. Additional training is blocked out. Okay, so then we have email marketing. Over here, you go to email marketing. You have email marketing tool. Evergreen email swipes, got 6 here. Affiliate marketing angle, work from home angle. Okay, and we're going to go to the next one. We got traffic training. This is where most people struggle anyway in any affiliate marketing business. You want to watch this video, Traffic Jumpstart. Okay, you can click this link and it'll take you there to the Traffic Jumpstart. We'll show you how. It's $17. If you upgrade, then you're going to get access to it, or you purchased it on the front end. Video marketing has that as well. Got some videos right here you can use in your marketing efforts. Okay, images, background scripts, and voiceover. If we come back over here again, creating bonuses. Okay, you create your bonuses here. You can download right here, PR license, all of that additional training. This video shows you how to work all of this stuff. Social media marketing. This is pretty much all the same thing, just going through the different steps. You got social media posts, okay, that you can use, short posts, blurbs, all of that good stuff right there. Social media images that you can use. You can come down here, abstract images and all of that right there. So you get access to that as well as a free member. Ad marketing. If you want to run ads, okay, ad strategies for beginners, hey, get it for $27. Our product is free with the membership upgrade. Solo ads, okay, you have swipe for solo ads. You have Facebook ads as well, okay. Let's come back over here again. You got banners and graphics that you can put on a website if you want to put them on your Facebook if you want to. Once again, upgrade here for that. Expand for banners. You got banner set 1, 2, 3, 4, and banner set 5. Okay, you got expand for images. I love that image right there. You can use that image. You can copy it right here. Okay, we're going down. Logos, images, splash pages, background, placement guidelines, and things of that nature. Okay, so that's banners and graphic. Also blogging. You're gonna have blogging here, your blogging tools, got articles, press release, and white paper. And so that's what you're going to get access to as a free member, how you can start completely free. Map is going to do all of the follow-up for you in the email marketing. The only thing you have to do is I would come over here and come down to the traffic training. Okay, this is where you want to go. Come to your traffic training, watch these videos, get the traffic jump start. Get the traffic jumpstart and start sending traffic to your one link. Okay, that's the only thing you have to do. So, and follow that training. Once you get good at that, then you can upgrade. Now, here's the thing. You come in as a free member. Let me come up here and talk to you. You come in as a free member, you start earning commissions. Invest that back into your business to upgrade. Invest that back into your business to get more traffic, get more training, and start applying the training, learning the training, applying the training, and then you can turn around and teach the training. So that's what you can get. So let's go back down here in the corner. Also, you're going to get access to our Facebook group. And you can click here and go to the Facebook group. I already have it open. This is the Facebook group, 998 members and growing. Okay, you can just come down through here and see the questions people are asking. You can see people are earning money inside of here. People are making sales with this, free and paid members who have already inside. So you can come through this group, ask all the questions. But before you ask a question in the group, please, before you ask the question in the group, make sure that you go through the fast start training, the mandatory orientation. Watch this video, click here and go through this first before you ask questions in the group, because all of your questions will be answered inside of this orientation video that you are going to watch right here. Okay, so make sure you know that and do that. You can upgrade to platinum here if you want to. You can see what's going on in the community, some testimonials, read all of this right here, and make sure you do what's best for you. Now, to use your one link, you just copy this link. Make sure you open up in an incognito window, just like that. And this is going to be your affiliate page once you become a free member. Okay, and what you want to do is you're going to click here and make sure your user ID is there. Okay, make sure it's there. Once someone enters their email, they're going to go through the same process that you went through, and you are good to go. Let Map do all of the training for you, so everything will fall in line for you. Now, if you're ready to get started with Map so you can start earning affiliate commissions with no experience as a beginner, and you can start for free, go ahead or click that link that's in the description right now. Go through the process, get signed up, get your free account. If you go to platinum, I will be adding you into my traffic rotator that I'm going to be running traffic for, and I think you're going to love the results that you're going to get. So go ahead on, click that link in the description right now. I will see you on the inside of Map. My contact information will be around this video. If it's not above, it is in the description. Reach out to me if you have any questions, but go through the orientation first. A lot of your questions are going to be answered there. With that being said, click that link in the description, subscribe, go ahead, leave me a comment, and I will look forward to working with you in Map. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.